Hi there, welcome to English. I'm Massey. Today we want to practice English alphabet together. We have 26 letters in English and we have capital letters and lowercase letters. For example, this is capital A, this is lowercase a. This is capital B, this is lowercase b. This is capital C, this is lowercase c. English alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now listen and repeat after me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, mouth is closed. N, mouth is open. O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. In English, we have 26 letters, 5 vowels, and 21 are consonants. What are the vowels? Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. And other letters are consonants. Sometimes, in some cases, Y is used as a vowel. Thanks for watching.